My name is Andrew Wilson and I work in pastoral care, especially in the mental health setting. When we think about the church being without walls, we often forget that some people find it really daunting to enter any church or belong to any community. My work down the years has been with people who suffer from mental health problems. And for them, it's really important to have safe, respectful spaces and atmospheres where they can be encouraged and recover and thrive. And one of the great things about where we're based here at St Mildred's is that actually we have a very respectful atmosphere in which we do our work. We run drop-ins across Croydon Borough. We do some creative and wellbeing groups, an art group, a creative writing group, a meditation group, a spirituality group, and we also have a women's only drop-in. So in all sorts of ways we create spaces where people can find fellowship and friendship, but also meet other groups, not to be somebody who's separated off simply because they're different. Part of our scheme is to bring people in touch with spirituality, and our Association for Pastoral Care and Mental Health was founded by relatives and carers of people who suffer from mental health problems, and they were horrified that there was no real spiritual or pastoral care for them. And so in the late 80s, a group of parents and siblings formed our association, which spread across parts of the country. Though in South London, perhaps they're the most thriving and long-serving groups. We've been working in Croydon for over 30 years now. And what we do is to help people to look at their spirituality, their ways of being connected to God, to meaning, to life. And so that's our real essence of what we do. Although, of course, being people who are open to all comers, we have no referral system. People can come through our doors, and we support not only people who suffer from mental health problems, but also their carers and their family. One of the important things we do, of course, is to look at the situation that people have to live with all the time, and one of those is financial problems. And one of our most important jobs is to provide them with welfare and benefit support. So we have a part-time worker who does that, and whose diary is crammed full of people in an increasingly difficult financial world. So it's not only the spiritual, but the practical and financial and emotional things that people need support for. And that, of course, is something that the compassion of God and our inspiration by Him help us to give to them.